Welcome to WiserNotify. In this video, you'll learn how to display a callback widget on your site to help visitors reach you effortlessly. Go to Widgets, click on Add Widget, then select the Call to Action tab. Here we have various types of design templates. Here, let's create Callback Widget. Click on Add Widget and enter the website name where you want to show the widget. Once you click Create and Customize, you'll enter the design editor, where you can modify every aspect of your widget and check the preview of how it looks on mobile and desktop screens. In Text Editor, you can personalize the content with a greeting message, phone number, and email. Customize fonts, colors, and sizes to align with your brand. Add an image or icon for a professional touch. Also, you can change the language as well. In Click Actions, you can configure the call to action button text, such as Contact. Adjust font style and colors for the button. Check the Stop Hiding Widget on CTA Click option if you want the widget to remain visible after the button is clicked. Enable Show Only CTA Button Icon to display a compact icon instead of a full widget. Upload a custom CTA button icon to align with your brand identity. Position and animation allow you to change the position of the widget on both mobile and desktop screens. The Style tab gives you control over the colors, size, and shadow effects of widgets. Embed code is used when you want to add the custom CS. In Data Control, the Skip Scene option allows you to hide the widget if visitors have already seen it. In Timing Control, start by selecting the start date and expiry date for your widget. This ensures the widget is only displayed during your desired time frame. Want to show your widget on specific days of the week? Simply check the Schedule Specific Days of the Week option and pick your days. Next, select how the it should appear. If you want to show it when a visitor is about to leave the page, then select Exit Intent. If you want to show it after a few seconds, then select Display after 5 seconds. If you want to show it after a few scrolls, then select Show after 10 scroll. Use none of the above to disable these rules and fully control the widget's behavior using JavaScript. Just copy the code and trigger it when you want. Want it to disappear automatically? Use the Hide after 5 seconds option to set a time limit for the widget display. Now save the change and go to Next Step to target and display your widget. By default, widget is set to appear on all pages. But if you want to target specific pages, select this URL condition option. Next, you can show the same widget on multiple websites by adding multiple sites here. For more advanced targeting, use options like visitor types, UTM sources, cookies, or referring sites. Each option includes a quick video tutorial to help with setup. Once you've set up everything, click the Publish button to turn on your widget. Then visit the page. Refresh the page 1 to 2 times. It was set to appear after 5 seconds, so wait for it. And there you have it. This is how it looks on the site. That's it. If it doesn't appear, use the Troubleshoot option to identify issues. If still you need help, reach out to our live chat support team for assistance.